Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make these adorable unicorn cookies. Some of you probably got a glimpse of these a few weeks back when we did our first ever Cookie Smackdown, our cookie decorating challenge. You can check out the challenge on my YouTube channel. Link is in the description box under the video. I teamed up with my friend Marlene from Montreal Confections in this challenge, and both of us used a bunny cutter to create a different design. I decided to make a unicorn, so now let's get started. First, we're gonna spread a thin layer of blue royal icing on a cookie. Make sure that you use a food-only paintbrush. Dampen your brush in a little bit of water. You can use paper towel and spray some water on paper towel and dampen it that way. Or you can just dip it in water and remove excess water into a dry paper towel. Now I'm also going to add a little bit of white to create clouds, and then we're going to use the brush to blend the white in. So as you see, my background is basically going to be a sky, and then we're going to let that dry. After it dries, we're going to work on a unicorn. Once the icing dries, take a paper template and a needle tool and trace the outline of the unicorn on your cookie. You just need to gently press the needle tool, and a sharp point on your needle tool will create a visible line, so it's really easy to follow this line with the icing. Alright, now we're gonna start with white royal icing. Outline and flood. I am using about 15-second consistency here. Now take a needle tool or a toothpick and move the icing around to the corners until it's all evenly distributed. Then we're gonna have to let that crust at least, or if you have time, let it dry, and then you can work on the ear. With your needle tool, shape the pink section, accentuate the point of the ear, and now using gray royal icing, you can make the horn. For the horn, I would option for icing that is thicker, so your design is not going to blend together. And now we can start with the mane. For the mane, I am using piping consistency royal icing, and we're going to use different shades of pastel. I'm going to layer icing, and so we need to let each layer crust before adding another layer of icing on top. So I'm going to let that crust, and now we're going to work on the butterfly, starting with the body of the butterfly using white royal icing, and then you can move on and start working on another layer with pink royal icing. Now make the wings. For the butterfly, I am using icing that is about 20-25 second consistency. Use your needle tool to smooth the icing. Now continue with layering another color. Now using edible marker, make the eye and the eyelashes. Using gray edible marker, make the nostril. Now take white real icing, piping consistency, and outline. And then outline the ear. And now using silver edible dust mixed with some vodka, you can paint the horn with food only paintbrush. Now add some edible pearls to the mane. And here are the finished cookies. As you can see, I made two different unicorns. Well, they're not completely different, just the mane. One is free-spirited mane and one is more uniformed. That's the one I showed you in this tutorial. I'm just curious, which of these do you guys like better? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to do so now. And don't forget to hit the bell button next to the subscribe button so you get notified about my new uploads. Also, we will have a new challenge for you guys really soon, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.